Yield notes is a very popular investment in the crypto space, characterized for being reliable and giving an average of 10% interest every month. And the best part is that they have been doing this since 2019. Today, we will review this awesome project. Let's get into it. Let's start by explaining what Yield Notes is about. Yield Notes is a node rental program in which the team uses the investors' money to rent out servers to run masternodes. Masternodes are a special type of proof-of-stake node that is required to process transactions and store them in the blockchain, as well as managing more critical tasks, bringing the operator higher rewards. Masternodes are really important to maintain networks in the crypto space, and so the people that run masternodes get paid really well for doing so. So investors put the money and Yield Nodes rent out servers to run the masternodes. But how are the profits distributed? 85% of the profits from masternoding goes to the investors of the project, and a maximum of 15% goes to Yield Nodes for renting out, maintaining, and operating the servers. However, they said that this 15% is a maximum and sometimes they reduce their cut in order to make the yields more stable in bad months. In Yield Nodes, there is no token. Investors get paid out in euros, dollars, or Bitcoin, as preferred. So there isn't the volatility that we see in projects that gives an interest this high, but the earnings come from the crypto space after all. About the earnings, Yield Nodes has been giving an average of 10% monthly interest or 120% APR since it was launched to the public in October 2019. As we can see in this graph, the interest is not fixed, but it has been really stable since the project launched. This makes the project a very stable investment in the crypto space and that already has a couple years of experience. I said that the project gives 120% APR, but that is if you do not compound the rewards. If you compound, the yearly APY goes up to 213%. But this is not all. The team members of Yield Nodes are public. This is great and gives a lot of trust in the team and the project. Another key aspect of this project is that they guarantee that if the yield drops below 5% for 3 consecutive months, your capital will be returned along with the profits accumulated without any barriers. However, this has never happened to this time. Let's briefly discuss how deposits and withdrawals work. The minimum investment in Yield Nodes is 500 euros or around $550. They also have a 7-day grace period after the deposit is received by Yield Nodes in order to purchase the nodes and rent out the servers. After 7 days, investors can start accumulating yield, which can be compounded or withdrawn. However, withdrawals are done once a month and the minimum amount is 100 euros. There is also a lockup period of 6 months for the money that it is into masternodes. This is because they actually have to put these systems and servers in place to start generating the yield. And as always, this is not investment advice, and I'm not trying to convince you to buy into Yield Nodes. I'm just reviewing projects that I find really interesting myself, and especially this time, reviewing a lower risk project that I think gives a really good yield. You have to do your own research and make your own decision if Yield Nodes is a good option for you. And for anyone that wants to get started with Yield Nodes, I will explain how to get into the project. So I left a link to Yield Nodes in the description. Be aware that this is an affiliate link and I will get a small cut if you end up investing in the project using this link. You can use it if you want to support the channel or if you found this information helpful. If not, you can just search the project on Google, but take care because there are some fake scammy sites that are impersonating the project and appear the first on Google. So after getting to the Yield Nodes website, you have to go to sign up, fill out your personal information to register, and then once you're inside, you have in the left-hand column the KYC documents. You have to go there and give some additional information of your identity. After submitting these documents, you need to wait till they are approved. Once the KYC documents are done and approved, you can deposit using Bitcoin, Fiat, or Tether. I would use Bitcoin or Fiat because I think it is the easiest. Just remember that if you do it with Tether, you have to send it through the Tron network. Then you just need to wait. And I will suggest to activate two-factor authentication to secure your account. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe so that you don't miss more to the point crypto content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.